Once there was a quiet riverside town where a 26-year-old young man named Ethan lived. From the outside, his life looked normal, but inside his mind there was constant noise. Thoughts never stopped visiting him. When he woke up in the morning, his mind rushed to his past mistakes. At night, it jumped into fears about the future. Because of this, Ethan felt heavy inside. He laughed less, slept less, and slowly forgot how to enjoy simple moments of life. People often told him, just relax, don't overthink, but Ethan didn't know how to stop his thoughts. His mind felt like a radio that had no off button. Even while eating, walking, or talking to others, his thoughts were somewhere else. One evening, while sitting near the river, Ethan heard an old fisherman talking to someone. The old man said softly, "A restless mind is not a broken mind. It is just an untrained one." Those words touched Ethan deeply. He learned that the fisherman was once a well-known meditation teacher who had left the city long ago to live a simple life near the river. With hope in his heart, Ethan approached the old man and said, "Sir, my mind never stays quiet. I'm tired of fighting my own thoughts. Can you show me a way?" The old man looked at Ethan calmly and said, "Come with me tomorrow morning. I will not give you advice. I will give you an experience." The next morning, the old man took Ethan to the riverbank. He handed Ethan a small bowl and said, "Sit here and fill this bowl with river water. While holding it, watch the water for 5 minutes. Do not think about anything else." At first, Ethan felt confused. His thoughts started running again. But slowly, as he kept his eyes on the water, something strange happened. He began noticing the gentle movement of the river, the sound of flowing water, the cool air touching his skin. For the first time in a long while, his mind felt lighter. After 5 minutes, the old man asked, "What were you thinking?" Ethan replied softly, "I don't know. I was just here. I wasn't thinking about yesterday or tomorrow." The old man smiled and said, "That is the place where peace lives. Not in the past, not in the future, only in this moment." At that moment, Ethan realized a deep truth. His suffering was not because of life, but because his mind was always living somewhere else. When he stayed fully in the present, his thoughts lost their power. Ethan thanked the old man and walked back home. The road was the same, the world was the same, but something inside him had changed. He understood that peace is not something we chase. Peace appears when we stop running and start being present. From that day on, whenever his mind felt restless, Ethan returned to the moment, to his breath, to his steps, to what was happening right now. And slowly, the storm inside his mind turned into silence. If this story touched your heart, please like and share it with someone who needs peace today. Subscribe to our channel for more meaningful stories that heal the mind and soul. Until next time, stay present, stay calm, and stay peaceful.